I look back to a time through my memories of yesterday, reflecting on things we once did and said, of a lifelong love distantly we shared, and on everything we held sacred to our heart. When two birds are walking on different paths, but on my behalf, the times when we laughed, there were times tears sigh with us. Though nothing brought us closer than our love and trust, as to our memories now that never show signs of rust. Picking my way through the dark, my mind's memories open windows, my eyes twinkling like the stars above. But yesterday, to me today, somehow I can hear her voice simply say, my love, I hold so dear, may we never part from our years, and that we recover from our fears, as we uncover memories of yesteryear, memories of love we shared. Gazing into the mirror, I began to see her face, with her eyes pouring out her sweet innocence, my beloved. And gradually her image erased, and treasures of yesterday help me break into another day. Lyrics and memories of yesteryear, something to have and to hold, a nation's gentle song and kisses in her eyes show inside us dreams and hope and trust, a love with nations inside us. I witnessed a dream, facts I need back. My mind's filled with dreams, God holds a ring, glistening in a silent stream. You look into the eyes of a child, listening to all the voice sing on the threshold of hope and trust. It's like those childhood mysteries. Off the voice sing, and another love child is born to be witness to the truth. It's a faithful woman home. A fallen angel breaks to the knees like a child. Sin fills my eyes, it's the beauty of a poem magazine. It's those childhood mysteries, open up windows on the world, changing rust to diamonds for a believing child. Bloodless, I see the world skies, burning the brightness of rainbows, and coloring a world with sunshine. Their love, an eternal sign. Holy Father, I kneel before your altar. Holy Mother, your love and peace, my childhood mystery. I bring before the altar the child's paradise roaring sea. Innocence is my prayer, where hope and trust reappear. It's those childhood mysteries, opening windows on the world, changing rust to diamonds for a believing child. I look back to a time through my memories of yesterday, reflecting on things we once did and said, of a lifelong love distantly we shared, and on everything we held sacred to our heart. Where two birds are walking on different paths, but on my behalf, the times when we laughed. There were times tears sigh with us, though nothing brought us closer than our love and trust, as do our memories now that never show signs of rust. Picking my way through the dark, my mind's memories open windows, my eyes twinkling like the stars above. But yesterday, to me today, somehow I can hear her voice simply say, my love, I hold so dear, may we never part from our years, and that we recover from our fears, as we uncover memories of yesteryear, memories of love we shared. Gazing into the mirror, I began to see her face, with her eyes pouring out her sweet innocence, my beloved. And gradually her image erased, and treasures of yesterday help me break into another day. Lyrics and memories of yesteryear, something to have and to hold, a nation's gentle song and kisses in her eyes show inside us dreams and hope and trust, a love with nations inside.